If you want to impress your wife or your husband or that special someone, this is the brownie to make. Hey guys, it's Merlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. So in today's video, I have an exciting video for you today. It's actually a fudge brownie and it is made with ube powder, which is also purple yam powder. So how cool is that? So these ube fudge brownies will satisfy your sweet cravings. To begin, of course, just like with any other brownies, you need eggs. And for this, we are using 3 eggs. Followed by the vanilla extract and sugar. Next, we're also adding in brown sugar. And for this, we are using tightly packed brown sugar, about 1/3 cup. And you're also adding in salt just to balance out the sweet flavor. So using your handheld mixer, go ahead and whisk until all of your ingredients are well combined. As you can see, we're adding in the wet ingredients first. Once you're done, we're moving along to the dry ingredients, and this is the star of the show, which is the ube powder. Now when you are whisking it in, just start slowly because you do not want to make a mess. Trust me, I have done it and it is not fun to clean. So go ahead and begin whisking slowly. This beautiful color will be just as beautiful when your brownies are done. And we added in about 1/4 cup of the ube powder. Now this is something that's a little bit different. So we are melting the butter first. So we're using unsalted butter, and this is 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. And the reason why we melted the butter in a skillet as opposed to the microwave, because we want the heat to transfer through evenly, so that way it makes it easy for us to melt the chocolate. And we are using about 4 ounces of white chocolate bars. Just be sure to get one that's that you can melt easily, preferably those that are used to cover strawberries. So you'll notice that it is melted to a silky smooth texture, and that's exactly what you want. And you want to stir that in to your ube mixture, but do so slowly because you want all of the ingredients to have time to attach themselves to each other, and also you want to make sure that all of your ingredients are well incorporated. Next, you're going to fold in the flour, and for this we are using 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. See, it's still purple, it's still beautiful. So now in your parchment lined baking sheet, go ahead and add in your ube mixture. Yes, I am using 2 clips to hold each side because it just wouldn't fold over. As you saw when we started the video, it just would not fold over and I needed something to hold it down. So go ahead and remove the clips and give your ube brownies a little bit of shake just so that the batter is distributed evenly. And now you can go ahead and add in your dark chocolate. And for this we are using about 6 dark chocolate bars, of course broken into pieces. Go ahead and transfer your ube in the oven at 350 degrees and cook it for about 50 to 60 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean when inserted in the middle. So using a bread knife, go ahead and cut your ube brownies up for you to enjoy. Guys, don't forget, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. We also have step-by-step pictures on how to make this recipe perfectly each time. Voila, your ube brownies is ready for you to enjoy. I told you the color would remain, so I cannot wait for you to make it and see the comments on this video. If you are new, we would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Cheers.